Now I'm going to speak about issues in the cash flow statement. And in the introduction, the report is based on empirical analysis of cash flow statement, which develops a clear understanding about income statement and cash flow information and use of cash flow statement to comprehend different keys business decisions taken by the management of three other companies, which are BHP Lit and Centons Ltd and Fantastic Ltd for the year 2019 and 2018 and 2017. After that, uh, I discuss about the income statement and its use to the investors. The income statement is the statement of income of expenses of a company, which is used to report about the financial performance of the company for accounting period, which is usually a year. Second one is the one of the institutional financial statement among a few three with a balance sheet and a cash flow statement. It is known as the statement of profit and loss. In the net income in the income statement can be calculated as the total of revenues of and gain means the total of expensive and loss. Then and the total income is the sum of operating as well as the non-operating payment, and total costs are the sum of the cost from the primary and secondary scheme. In addition, I discuss about the cash flow statement and its use to the investors. Cash flow statement is the statement that show the cash inflows and the outflows details of a company. Second one is the major components of the cash flow statement are cash flow forms, operating activities, cash flow from investigation activities, and cash flow from financing activities. And third one is it's enables to them to know about the historical cash flow trending of a company, which help in the future cash flow projection of the company, based on which they can make the decision on investing in the company. And purchase and sales details of assets of the company, loans given and received details, managers and acquisitions payments are known from the investing activities stated in the cash flow statement. The major use of cash in 3 years BHP Ltd. In operating activities, interest paid, net income tax and royalty related taxation paid, and settlement of cash management related instruments, and investing activities, purchase of property, equipments, exploration expenditure, financing activities, repayment of interest bearing liabilities, purchase of share by the employee, share ownership plan, ESOP, trust share by back and divided paid. And the major use of cash in 3 years, Cestone Ltd. Operating activities, payment to suppliers and employees, restoration expenditure, explorations of evaluation, semimix and studies, royalty and excise paid, borrowing cost paid, in investing activities, acquisitions cost of exploration and evaluation assets, oil and gas assessed and other buildings, equipments and borrowing cost paid. And in financial activities, divided paid, payment of borrowing, repayment, lease liabilities. The major use of cash in 3 years in Fantastic Ltd. In operating activities, payment of suppliers and employees, cash utilized from operations, interest interest and other cost of finance paid in investigate activities, payment of plants and equipments, payment of other intangible assets, and financing activities, repayment of commercial bills, security deposit, and cost from share issues. Was the firm able to generate enough cash from operation to pay for all of its capital expenditure? Overviewing the three-year data of BHP Ltd, the firm was able to generate enough cash from operation to pay all capital expenditure. And overviewing the three-year data of Sunstones Ltd, the firm was able to generate enough cash from operation to pay all its capital expenditure. And after that, the overall viewing three-year data of Fantastic Ltd, the firm was not able to generate enough cash from operation to pay all its capital expenditures. The trend in the capital expenditures in the case of BHP Ltd, the trend of capital expenditure on the property equipments increasing from 3697 million US dollar in 2017 and 4979 million US dollar in 2008 and 6250 million US dollar in 2009. In the case of the Sunstones Ltd, the trend of capital expenditure on the oil and gas assets is increasing from 483 million US dollar in 2017 to 490 million US dollar in 2018 to 619 million US dollar in 2009. After that, in the case of the Fantastic Ltd, the trend in capital expenditure on plants and equipments is in high decreasing rate from 888k dollar in 2017 to 145k dollar in 2018 in 5k dollar in 2019. After that, the trend in dividend. In the case of BHPLD, the trend is dividend payment in high increasing from around 2k million US dollar in 2017 to 5k million US dollar in 2018, and it increasing in 2019 near about 11 kg, and which shows growth in the profit level of the company. In the case of the Sunstones Ltd, trend divided payment is increasing from 0 to 73 million US dollar is 2018 and 2051 million US dollar in 2019 as compared to the year 2018. In the case of Fantastic Ltd, there are no dividend paid in the 3 year. In conclusion, the case follows statement of three different company, i.e. BHP, Sunstones, Fantastic Ltd are analyzed using the annual report for 3 years from 2017 to 2019. From the analysis, I come to know that BHPLT is growing to its earning and it's being able to cover our increasing capital expenditure and dividend payment. There is a decreased trend of net borrowing also. Whereas Sunstones Ltd is also a good financial condition BHP Ltd, but there is just a fluctuating trend in net borrowing, and Fantastic Ltd is huge loss in and if not paying dividend in any year. Thank you.